Sarah creates two different number patterns. She uses the numbers in her patterns as ordered pairs on a graph. The two rules are described below. The x-coordinate rule, you start at 2 and follow the pattern add 2. The y-coordinate rule, you start at 6 and follow the pattern add 6. The patterns continue. What is the ordered pair of the fourth point on Sarah's graph? So, Sarah is going to start with the x-coordinate of 2 and the y-coordinate as 6. Remember, ordered pairs look like x, y. So we're going to have a first point, a second point in the pattern, a third point in the pattern, and a fourth point in the pattern. The first point is the x is 2, so 2. The y is 6, so the coordinate is 2, 6. Now the pattern is you're going to add 2 to every x and add 4 to every y. So let's do that a couple times. Let's add 2 and add 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. That's our second point. Let's do it again. Add 2 to the x, add 4 to the y. 4 plus 2 is 6. 10 plus 4 is 14. Let's do it one more time. Add 2 to the 6. Add 4 to the 14. 6 plus 2 is 8. 14 plus 4 is 18. And so at the end of it, that fourth point is going to be 8, 18, which is going to be C.